to my city, and yeah, what's up? Like, what's really on? Nah, but today's video, I'm going to be doing Get Ready With Me for my senior year of high school. So yeah, I start school Tuesday. Today is Sunday. And I have nothing. My hair look a mess. Like, yeah. So I need to go to Walmart. No, my pinky too little. Okay. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go to Spencer's. I need to go to Walmart, Spencer's. Oh, I need to go to the hair store. I need to go to the shoe store. Oh my God. Oh, I left one. I told Mama everywhere I need to go, and I left one off the itinerary. Oh my God. I gotta tell her, because I gotta go get me some Forces, child. But yeah, and then I gotta do my hair. I gotta do my lashes, y'all. My wig, like, I was sick, so like my hair, like, oh my God, it's been in this bonnet for days. So my hair is sliding back, so I'm gonna try to put it back on. Hopefully it look cute. Like, I'm so scared. Like, I never did this before, so it's the first time for everything. So did I say I'm gonna do my own lashes? Yeah, and I'm not putting on the I'm not gonna say everything I need to buy because it's crazy. But yeah, it's Sunday, so everything open at like 12. But hopefully y'all think the shoe store open, because I need to go. Unless I go in the mall. Like, I think we don't want to go to Walmart because I don't know what I'm getting from Walmart. Ooh, Auntie calling me. Hello, Auntie. So the wig is off. Like, if you didn't tell, wig off, because when I was doing my hair, I already went shopping and everything. Like, got all the stuff I need for school. I forgot to record because there was a lot going on. But I took the wig off because when I was trying to brush it, like, it was all the way back here. So we're just gonna reinstall it. I didn't know if I wanted to wash it or not, but I am gonna wash the wig and like do all of that and then reinstall it today. And I got some stuff for my lashes. I'll show y'all everything I got later on. I don't feel like it right now. So yeah, but now I'm finna go wash my wig, do all of that, blah blah, bring it back to life so I can reinstall it. So yeah. So I'm tired of like putting stuff on my hair because these braids in my hair. So I really don't care anymore. But I'm finna go blow dry. The wig already washed itself, but I'm finna go blow dry it and start installing it. Somebody scammed us.
Yes, if y'all said there was money on there, it's on you.
Okay. This the wig. I know you're supposed to let it like air dry, but we ain't doing it. It's still like blue right here, but it'll be okay. All right, so this is as good as we're gonna get with the clear list, because y'all know I'm already blurred. So yeah, so let's try to put this on. Okay, we got it. And I figured out if I just pull the edges out and just lay it down like that, it'll be good. So my issue is like I don't know how to do my edges. Like everything else look good. Like the lace look melted. Like everything else is laid down. It's just like I don't know how to do the edges because like I just don't. I'm gonna call my sister and see if she can help me to see what to do. Like if I put these edges up, let the lace melt a little bit, it'll be good. Like if I lay that part down and just let these edges be, it'll be good. But this side, I'm just like, what the freak? Like, what am I supposed to do? But I'm mad. Y'all, so this is why I had this in my head. But my sister told me that I just need to take it out or find somebody professional to do it. And I don't want to find nobody professional to do it because I ain't got the money. I ain't got the funds to do my own hair. And I'm going to do some knotless braids. Whew. I was going to do a quick weave, but y'all know how that quick weave hair be. Like, matting up and stuff, and I ain't got time for it at school. I'm going to braid my hair because y'all know I always eat on the braids. Like, come on now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do what I know how to do best. And like, I'm just thinking about what my boyfriend will tell me, and he'll tell me just to put some braids in my hair. But he'll really tell me, he'll be like, what's wrong with it? That's what he'll really say. He'll really be like, what's wrong with it? Like, I don't see nothing wrong with it. You just need to do the edges. And then he gonna tell me how I'm doing so much. And he'll be like, yeah, but you could put some braids in it. Why would you put this? Like, he just gonna give me a whole speech. And I don't put my man. Cause do he want to be my dad or my man? So I took the wig off, as you can see, and now I'm taking out my braids because tonight I'm going to wash my hair, blow dry it, and pre-part it. Tomorrow all I gotta do is throw the braids in, and that will make the process go like much faster. And if I have time, I'm gonna do my lashes tonight as well, cause yeah, we getting down to the nitty gritty. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with my hair together. All right, y'all, my hair look cute like this. Like, look at the crinkle. Like, don't play with me. Like, my hair looks so cute. Like, ever since I cut my hair, like, it's been cooperating and like looking so good. Like, ooh, my hair is cute. But I'm finna wash it and do all that good stuff to it. So my hair has been washed. I didn't condition it because I don't feel like it's like that. But yeah, my hair is washed. I'm finna blow dry it, and then I'm gonna start pre-parting, you know. So I'm parting my hair for knotless, medium, knotless. It's gonna take me all day, literally. But yeah. All right, y'all, so I done went through like 4 different hairstyles and just decided that I'm gonna just go get my hair done tomorrow. I'm gonna get a partial sew-in. So yeah, I go at like 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. But right now, I'm gonna put my lashes on. Sorry if this video been a little, but it's because I just got too much going on. Like, still a lot going on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my lashes. So this is my eyes before I do my lashes. I'm gonna come back and tell y'all if I get frustrated because I don't know how to do it. Put my hair up so it won't be flying in my eyes. But I just decided, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using. So I'm using these lashes to glue. It's supposed to be waterproof and stuff, and I'm so scared because like the way I'm doing it, y'all, I'm doing the waterline method, and like I don't know if I could put this like close to my waterline. Like, what if I go blind? Like, but if it's something that you put on your eyelashes, it's something. I got these scoobies. Going scared. Y'all, so I'm done with my lashes. This is what they look like. It's 3 o'clock, and I feel like I didn't do bad. It didn't take me that long. I'm gonna put some of this on my lashes. So I just got done. it was bothering my eye. Like, no, I ain't got time to be fighting with my lashes. I'm gonna redo it. So yeah, I'm gonna go fix that. Hey vlog, I'm at first period, waiting on Sean to get to class, and yeah, I don't know my teacher. Like, I walked here, I was the first here. Like, girl, where's you at? Do you still work here? I straighten my hair. Look at it. What is going on? Sean, where are you going? Hold on. Why Sean just walk past the class?
First period.
Where he going? Sean, he all the way down the hallway. Like, I don't know where he going. Let me text him. This class is environmental science. I don't like my hair. I'm sorry. Like it was so cute this morning. I'm doing. I got off the bus and looked like this. Like, what is this? I should have. Sean, here comes Sean, y'all. Sean.
The school's got. Because do your thing still say oceanography?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It told me to go to 9:20. Okay.
Yeah, I still got oceanography on my schedule. And gym. Sean, like, I be having much anxiety. Like, every time I think about it, like, I just get anxiety, Sean. First of all, we need to close the door and not let the teacher in, because where does she at? Sean, how was your weekend?
Huh?
Oh, how was your weekend?
This weekend.
Look at my. Oh, let me turn my vlog off. Bye, y'all. Stay back, Sean. Y'all, this class lame. Like, where the teacher at? I'm sick of it.
This might be our last day. Like,
Yeah, this is our last day.
Vlog of the school year. Because we not gonna see
Early in the
like,
morning.
Ever again.
Sean finna leave. I'm
finna leave.
coming to school late
Take my
tomorrow.
black ass home.
I'm so
At the second period, I'm
excited.
finna leave home.
This the perks of being a team. Good morning. Give me the vlog. I stopped recording. Okay, y'all, this is my last time going to gym. What's up? Cause he's looking. I'm finna walk the halls. Cause this is my last time walking the halls for second period. Damn, we leaving Alex. He doing wrong?
Who?
Alex.
I don't know what that man doing.
Okay, Sean, say bye.
Bye.
Hey vlog, I'm about to cheat on my test in Spanish 3 because I did not study my vocabulary. So first, it's so loud in here. Okay, so the first thing I did was put it as my lock screen. Put it as my lock screen, and then I'm gonna write it down yesterday. Yes, don't play with Amber. That's actually a really cute outfit. Like, I really love it. But yeah, I like how Amber is so different. I like her style. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is write it down and put it in the back of my phone case, and then I'm gonna tape it to my arm. Because I have to pass this test. Like, I'm so sorry to everybody who thought I was just a scholar that don't cheat. Usually, should I put this down? Usually I don't cheat on my test, but today, baby, I gotta do it because I ain't practiced. Like, I don't know none of these. Only thing I know is chorus, obey, And that's it. That's it. So hopefully I could just keep my brightness low and like when she ain't looking, just click. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I never cheated for real, y'all. I don't cheat. Because usually when I don't get something, I just put whatever I feel like putting. But I gotta cheat today because I'm gonna make a 0. And I got 90. Trying to get back to 100. And then my project, I ain't even finished my project. And it's due at 3:15. So I'm gonna work on that while I'm in this class. We don't know where the teacher at. I hope we ain't outside missing and somebody snatch him up. I kind of do hope that happened because we ain't got no teacher. I should have worn mascara today, but I was rushing. I didn't match it. That scratch was real. Let's see. We're gonna see how I go when I cheat on my test because I don't know what to do.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm gonna use my laptop for my test and I'm gonna have my phone laying down. And I'm gonna just be like this. Wait. I just don't want to get caught. Like, oh my god, I never got caught cheating. So what makes you think I'm finna get caught cheating on the test?
Hey guys, Sean is very much a hater. He just texted me and said, why you have a boots on? And he laughs at me, guys. My boots are cute. Yes. You see the boots, guys?
Yes.
I look cute, but he wanna play games with me. I'm pretty. I can make any outfit work. Okay.
Right, don't play with him.
And this is my, I love Maya. Me and Maya became friends from work.
Yeah, big CFA, little CFA, so they're making us eat in the classroom. The teacher's grilling. The teacher's grilling. My teacher, he out there grilling, and we by ourselves. So while we at lunch, we finna just be in the. We're finna walk around. I got my beats. Oh look, I got a wristband. It said "Faith in the world be eating."
What did it say?
Kind of hogs and stuff, cause they know they wrong for not telling us that we ain't eating in the comments. I'm so bored. Oh, hey, Miss Feliciano not here? Okay. Yeah, that is so good. So, God is so good. No, I had a test and I did not study for it.
Oh, that's what
But.
What are you doing? Come on. Oh, mimic you.
I don't know what we're doing.
Wait, hold on. Okay, there you go.
Okay, just get on the tour of the school. This the 12th grade hall. Be it senior. Don't play with us. Dirty underclassmen. Boom. Yes, this hall is so nice. I'm gonna show y'all my class. Me and Alex did our commercial over here.
Oh, yeah. That big old commercial.
Yep, and it went viral. Look at tonight. Oh, really? Okay, y'all make sure y'all go listen to that new Ride Wave. It's called Call Your Friends. Cause call your friends. Hey, friend. That's my friend. Oh, I'm sorry. You too, friend. Have an excellent day. Yeah, that's my friend from last year. Why he my friend? I think he might be a junior. Wait, he might.